Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I made my intro. I put it on my Instagram stories and I had a lot of people ask me how I made it, so I thought I would make an easy video for you so you can see exactly what I did. It's actually surprisingly easy to make one. I always thought, I used to watch YouTubers videos and think, wow, that's such a cool intro, how on earth have they made that? And I did consider actually paying someone to make one for me, but I managed to find out a way how to do it, and on my iPad and on my phone as well. I recently got an iPad. I didn't buy this especially for this, but I just love iPads. They're just so good. I can like take it around with me, and I bought the pen as well, so it's a lot easier doing it on a bigger screen. But you can also do it on your iPhone as well, and you just need to get the apps Bazaart and InShot, and then you make the video and you put it onto iMovie, and that is all you do. So yeah, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. Oh, Misty the cat's decided to join us today, not Harlow. He's busy downstairs with my sister's dog Poppy, so they're going mad. So we've got Misty today. Oh, what a treat. He's actually a boy called Misty. His full name is Mr. Longlegs because he's got very long legs, but Misty for short. Oh, look at him. So cute. Right, so anyway, Bazaart is an app that you can make collages on, and I use this app. This is a bit of a cringe moment of mine, but I use this app to plan outfits for Instagram. So I find it so hard to visualize outfits together, so I really have to like see them on paper, and this is just so good. You can screenshot like a top or a jacket or something that you like, and then put them together on the app so you can actually see if they go together, and I try and visualize it. So I'm going to record my screen so you can have a look. So this is what Bazaart looks like. It's just a little B, and it's spelled Bazaart. And if you go into it, you get all of these options up here. So you can make Instagram stories on here, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail and stuff. So to make an intro, I use the YouTube thumbnail, and you've got all of these, but I never use these options, so just start from scratch, and it comes up with a screen like that. And if it's like the grey pattern, then that is like see-through, so anything that you put on there, when you save it, it will be a clear background, so it will just be a thing floating. So yeah, let me show you my intro. If I go back to my projects, you can see all my little things on here. So this is what it looks like on Bazaar, and I've got lots of cut out things. So these are all individually cut out like this, so you can move it all around. And I made this like title in Bazaart, saved it with a see-through background, and then added it on. And I've basically done that with every single thing. So I've just got lots of different layers. I took a picture of my hair clips and cut them out and made those, as you can see. So I just wanted to make like a collage that was animated, because I just feel like that's my style. Like I just wanted it to look really aesthetically pleasing and just like really nice, and like a mixture of all my pictures together and what I like. So you've got pampas grasses there, got a bit of Dior jewellery there. So yeah, I've just got all my little things. So I'm going to show you how I did the collage on here. So let me just delete one of these so I can show you how to do it. So I've got basically a background. I've added in loads of different things, and then to add stuff in, you can go either get a photo from my photos like that, or stickers. There's lots of different stickers, but it depends what you like really. Or you can go back, and if you have a look at these, so I've made that separately, made sure it's got a see-through background, and I think if you hold it down, you can click copy, go to the slide thing, hold down again and paste it like that, and you can just make it whatever size you want. And then the items behind it, I can hold them down and move it back. Oops, done that wrong. Undo. So yeah, I like to move these to the front so they're in front of it, and move the title to the front as well. So yeah, I've got that now, so that's a separate thing. And to make it animated, I basically saved this as an image to start with, like that. So I just saved it, HD image, and then it goes straight to your camera roll. And then I thought, what can I make move? So I thought I could make these little stars move, and I just twisted them round like that, just a little bit. Twist them all round, and then I changed this picture. So we'll go back again, go to this piggy, hold it down, copy, hold it down, paste, bring that to the front, make it roughly the same size, bring the title to the front, so it's like that, and then I will save that. So then I've saved both of them pictures, and I suppose you could do more than one if you want to, and make all of it move if you wanted to. So I realised going through my pictures, going like this with them, that they're actually moving just by doing that. So I was like, hang on a minute, I can just put that through another app to make a video of it and save it. So yeah, it's so easy. So yeah, let me show you InShot. It's an app that looks like this, and basically I've put each image in alternately, made them about 0.5 seconds long, so not very long, and the whole thing is only 4 seconds long. So then if I click play, then it moves like that, and it's just 2 pictures going back and forth. Harlow's here. There he is. Moosey's taking your space. What have you got on your mouth? What on earth is that?
Fluff.
Ew.
Goodbye.
Oh, hello.
Oh, are you not allowed in?
I've got both boys with me today. So yes, it is that easy. And then on InShot, it's actually really good quality. So you save it, click save, and that saves pretty quickly. And then all I did was open it up in iMovie, because I can open iMovie up on my iPad. So it's that easy. It really is. And then you just open it up in iMovie and you can add music to it, or you can add music to it on InShot. I'm not quite sure how to do that actually, but yeah, I'm sure it's pretty simple. This is what it looks like in iMovie. It's very good quality. I was really surprised. I thought it'd go a little bit blurry because of the size of it, but it's a perfect size because you've done it as a YouTube thumbnail, so it's perfect dimensions. And this is what it looks like in iMovie. So I've had to like make 2 of them just to make it a bit longer. Mine's about 6 seconds long, and then I've added music underneath, and it just looks like this when it plays. So lovely. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Oh, I also added a filter to it. Oh, I feel like such a computer wizard with my iPad. I feel like I work at Apple. So yeah, if you want to add a filter to it, I use VSCO. I use this for all my videos on Instagram, and a lot of pictures I use the filters on here. So yeah, you can just import a video. Where is that video? Oh golly. Where is it? Oh, it would help if I went on video. What? Right, okay, 4 seconds long. Edit video, and you can put all sorts of different filters on it. Woo! this, lots of different ones. I just use my favourite ones. I've forgotten what it is now. Oh yeah, so I use A4, and that's the preset or filter that I use on my pictures as well, but I only put it up to about 3, just to give it a little bit more of a like finished overall look, so all the pictures blend into one. And then you can just save that, and then you put it through iMovie and it's got a filter on it. So it's so good. All these good apps, they're just amazing and so easy to use as well. So you don't have to be a computer wizard to actually make an intro. Do you want to see my background? That is Harlow. That is my sister's beautiful artwork. This is why I wanted an iPad, so you can do some lovely art. But anyway, that is the end of my video. I really hope you've enjoyed watching it, and I hope I've helped you make an intro. If you want to make your own, or an outro as well, I might do one of those. If you haven't already subscribed, then please do. I'm doing videos weekly now. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. Maybe a home haul, because I bought so much from H&M and Zara home. So yeah, let me know about that, and let me know if you've got any questions about making an intro. I'll happily help you as best as I can. See you soon. Bye.